Eric uses gray squares and white squares to form a figure, shows the pattern. So this is what it looks like. So figure 1011, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need to complete the table for figure 6. Okay, so in this case over here, all right, so we have 1, 1, 4, 3, 4, 9. So let's see over here. So 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. All right, so from here, let's do the bottom one. Okay, so from 1 is to 3, this will give, this is just plus 2, right? Oops, plus 2. Okay, then from 3 is to 6, this is plus 3. Okay, from here to here, this is plus 3. Maybe I'll just do like this. Okay, so easier to see. Okay, whoop, 3 and then 1 plus 2 like this. Okay, arrow from 6 to 10. Okay, and then this is plus 4. All right, and then arrow from 10 to 15. This is plus 5. Okay, what do you think the next one will be? From 15 to 6, this will be plus 6. So it's over here. Okay, so the answer to this is 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay, so now the next one is we have 1 and 1, 4 and 4, 9. This should be 9 also. Okay, right. And then so for figure 6, this is plus 4. So if you were to see figure 5, number of gray squares, which is the white, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for figure 5. Oh, no, sorry. Then if you see over here, it starts from 2. And then after that, for the gray squares, it adds 4, right? Then total will be 6. So that means the next one will be 2, 4, 6. So we add 6 in this case. So this will be 12 in this case over here, right? Okay. Okay, so for part B, find the number of white squares in figure 10. So in this case, figure 10 is an even number because you can see 4 and 9. Okay, so for this, essentially, I'll just show you, right? So basically, you just have equal to 2 divided by 2, right? 2, and then multiply by itself like this, 2 divided by 2, okay, and then times 2 divided by 2. Okay, so is this the same with the rest? Yes. Okay, so in this case, uh okay, then 4 divided by 2 times 4 divided by 2, and then the last one will be 6 divided by 2 times 6 divided by 2. So that means, let me just push this here. Okay, so this is the pattern. So that means for figure 10 is equal to so this one I'll just highlight it so it's easier to obviously see. 2 and then 2, and then you have this 2 highlight, 2 highlight, then you see right? Okay, there you go. Okay, so ding ding dong ding. Okay, so in this case it's equal to 2 times 1 times 1 equal to 1. Okay, and then this will equal to 2 times 2 equal to 4. And then in this case, 3 times 3 equal to 9. So figure 10 will be 10 divided by 2. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this. I don't know highlight anymore, or I should actually. Okay, whatever. Okay, so basically this one, figure 10 will be just 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, and 10 divided by 2. So this will be equal to 5 times 5. This will be 25. Okay, that's the answer. The answer is 25. Okay, so yeah. Okay, can I make this smaller? So at least, yes, I can. I'll make this like that, like that. Okay, and then same goes to this. Okay, there you go. So now at least you see the pattern here. Okay, 10 is an even number and we see the pattern from here lah. Okay, so now let's move on. Find the total number of squares in figure 77. So total you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we just add accordingly, right? So like for figure 1, is just equal to arrow 1. Then figure 2 is 1 plus 2, right? Which is equal to 3. Then figure 3 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to, in this case, 6, right? This is figure 3. Okay, so that means for figure 77, I'll put a dot, figure 7, okay, is equal to 1 plus 2 plus everything. Okay, right, where dot plus 76 and then plus 77, which is equal to we don't know. So you can actually manually count if you want, but what I usually want to do is to make this easier. So basically we just need to find pairs, right? So we have, right, so it should look something like this. In this case I'm going to put this pretty small. If final number is odd number 77, then we have 77 on its own and start from 1 plus 76. So like this lah. Okay, so all right, so that means pair is equal to 76 plus 1 equal to 77. Okay, then number of pairs is equal to 76, and then we divide it by 2. This will give us 38. So total is equal to 77 times, so 38 times 77 plus 77. Okay, so from here we have 38 multiplied by 77. Okay, and then plus 77. Okay, the answer is 3003 in this case over here. All right, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna move all of this over here.